Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will be using the invoke method activity to add data to a dictionary. So basically the invoke method activity we use to invoke or to call a function directly of some library or class. So using the assign activity, basically we can call a function of some library which will return some data back or some value. But if we have to call a function which will not return any value back, so in that case we have to use the invoke method activity, which using which we can call a function of a library, and we can proceed with the uh, operation. So yeah, so in this case I'll just in this example I'll create a dictionary variable here. So I'll just name it as dic underscore data, and the type I'll set as dictionary. So dictionary, and the type is string comma string. So yeah, so basically it will accept a key value pair in which the key is also a string and the value is also a string. So now I'll just declare it, initialize it. So string comma string. So by this I have declared it as a empty dictionary. So now I'll just call the invoke method activity, and we have it here. So in the invoke method activity we have three fields here: target type, target object, method name. So in the target type, basically either of these two we have to provide only value in one. So in target type, if we want to call a function of some library or class directly, so for example if we want to call a function of string, so here we can tell the target type string, and then we can mention the function name here. So in this case we don't have to provide the target object here, but in this example we already have the object, right? So this is the object which we have created already. So we'll provide the object name here, data. So now the function which we will use is called add. So basically, again, to check out the functions of any class, we can check in the documentations for the C# library in the Google. So there we can get all the list of the functions which we can use. So in this case we will be using a function called as add, method name add, and so the add method takes a two value basically, in which first one will be the key and second will be value. So both will be string, as we have already initialized it. So to pass in the value we will use this parameter window here, and it will be direction will be in, type is string, and here we will provide the value as key. And for the value we will again provide the value as direction in and type is string. So here is the value we have provided. So now you can see so basically this activity will call the method add for this dic underscore data dictionary, and it will add these two values, key value pair, in this dictionary. So we will quickly start with this one. So here we will provide the data added to dictionary. So we will get to know if the activity is complete. So we'll place a breakpoint here. So breakpoint we can place by right click and this toggle breakpoint. So also we can use the F9 as shortcut to toggle the breakpoint. So I'll quickly run this. So the activities are compiling. So the flow should stop at this point. So the execution started, and we can see the flow has stopped here. So this is the invoke method. This activity was executed successfully. And if we check out in the variables, so here if we open this one, so we can see the dictionary and the key value pair is added in the dictionary. So the data which we provided is added here. And yeah, so once we quickly run it, so yeah, data added to dictionary. So basically with that run, we was able to see that the data using the invoke method, we were able to add to the dictionary object. So in this way, we can call or invoke any function, and using this we can call the void functions or the functions which will return some value. So both of those different functions we can directly call using the invoke method. So yeah guys, also in more depth, if you guys want more examples of these scenarios, so please let me know in the comments, and I'll be preparing a more in-depth video for you guys. Thank you.